Welcome back. The tussle between the contractors and subcontractors of Lusophone Games project has made life of labourers miserable. The labourers engaged in the projects are not paid their wages since 5 months. Some of the labourers have left the state without their payments. Subcontractors say they haven't received their payments from Simplex, and Simplex points out to SAG for crisis. In the tussle, toiling labourers are on the receiving end.
Lusophone Games are over, but the labourers are yet to get their payments. Labourers said the contractor promises payment, but it's been 5 to 6 months. They are not paid a single penny. Some of the labourers have left for their native places without the earnings.
और हम लोग को 1 महीना से बैठाया हुआ है। वो बोलता है इधर हम फैसला करेंगे तब काम देंगे और कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, कुछ सुनवाई नहीं हो रहा है। हम लोग ऐसे भूखे बोलते हैं जब हफ्ता में पैसा तो हम लोग को कड़ा की वो भी नहीं दे रहा है।
5 महीना हो गया, अभी तक पेमेंट नहीं हुआ। सब आदमी जा रहे हैं घर, हम लोग भी 4-5 महीने से बैठे हुए हैं। रोज डेट देता है, कल देंगे परसों देंगे, रोज डेली का डेट बनाता है। बोला था कि देंगे पैसा, अभी तक कुछ नहीं डिसाइड उसका निकला है।
घर में पैसा देना का जरूरी है, बाल बच्चा है। यहाँ का अपना पेट देखोगे ना, घर में क्या देखोगे? खाने का तो कुछ नहीं है, क्या करेंगे? अभी तक भूखा है। अभी जाएंगे उधर साहब लोग के पास, देगा तो कुछ लेके आएंगे मार्केट से।
Subcontractors say they are yet to get the payments from the main contractor Simplex. Simplex blames the Sports Authority of Goa and the labourers will not be paid till then. Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Rape accused Tarun Tejpal has filed a petition before the High Court pleading to allow him to be present during hearing of his bail petition. The High Court has sought reply from the investigating officer on Tejpal's plea on Monday. The High Court will hear his bail petition on Tuesday. Meanwhile, the crime branch is set to file charge sheet against Tejpal. 2,700-page charge sheet is ready and will likely be filed this week.
Accused in lady journalist sexual assault case, Tarun Tejpal has filed a petition before the High Court seeking permission to be present during hearing of his bail petition. The High Court will hear Tejpal's bail petition on Tuesday. The court has directed the investigating officer P.I. Sunita Sawant to be present and reply on Tejpal's plea. Earlier, Tarun Tejpal had made similar prayer before the District and Sessions Court, and the court had allowed him to remain present during his bail hearing. Investigating agencies set to file charge sheet against Tarun Tejpal. According to sources, charge sheet paged about 2,700 is ready and will likely be filed before the trial court this week. Tarun Tejpal is facing the charges of sexually assaulting his lady journalist colleague from Tehelka during Think Festival, organized in a hotel in Goa in November last year. He was arrested on 30th November. Presently, he is lodged in Sada Jail at Vasco in judicial custody. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Vikas Sau, an associate of main accused Ram Bharose in Vijayapagi murder-rape case, will be booked for buying a robbed mobile phone. Senior officer of Crime Branch says Sau is not directly involved in Vijaya's rape or murder. Crime Branch has earlier arrested Ram Bharose, the main accused in this case. Following Bharose's arrest, officials succeeded to arrest Vikas Sau from Bihar with a mobile phone Ram Bharose had robbed from Vijayapagi.
Prime accused in Vijayapagi murder and rape case in Kankan, Ram Bharose confessed of having sold victim's mobile phone for 1,000 rupees. Ram Bharose had revealed the name and address of the labourer to whom he had sold that mobile. A team of Crime Branch with the help of Bihar police succeeded to arrest the person named Vikas Sau and recovered the mobile phone of victim Vijayapagi. Now the legal process is on to get Vikas Sau to Goa. A senior officer of Crime Branch told Prudent that Vikas Sau is not involved in murder or rape of victim, but will be booked for buying a mobile phone robbed from the victim. Senior officer of Crime Branch said investigation is on, but investigation so far clearly proves that Ram Bharose alone committed the crime of raping and murdering the victim. Victim Vijayapagi was murdered and raped on 31st January on a hillock at Rajbagh, Kankan. After 9 days of investigation, Crime Branch had arrested main accused Ram Bharose. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
It's easy to overspeed but hard to get the life back lost in accident. Youth in colleges are seen violating traffic norms. Students travel triple seat on the two-wheeler, that too without licenses and helmets. Responsible youth have demanded for a traffic cell in colleges to curb rising accidents in Goa. Traffic cell officials have also asked the parents to educate and sensitize their children on traffic rules.
I appeal to the parents and the management of the colleges to kindly bring in more awareness and make the students aware of the risk that they're taking by overspeeding and not obeying the traffic rules.
This culture should change because the prime responsibility is of the parents to protect their wards and its precious life that they should save of their own children.
प्रत्येक कॉलेजींनी एक ट्रॅफिक कमिटी अपॉइंट करपाची चिंतल्या. ही कमिटी भुरग्यांचीच आसतली अंडर अ टिचर्स गायडन्स.
पेरंटांनी सुद्दां पळोवपाक जाय की आपले भुरगे डिमांड करता आपल्याक गाडी जाय हे जाय मोटरसायकल जाय हे कर तांच्यांनी तांकां दिवप ना जो पर्यंत तो ताका 18 वर्साचो जाय पर्टिक्युलर एज जातकूर ताका ती हे आसा न्ही तो पर्यंत ताका गाडी चलोवपाकूय दिवप न्ही. पेरंट्स आर ऑल्सो रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दीस.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.